If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error 401, this quick fix is usually all you need. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest steps to get back into your account fast. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, the easiest thing to try is simply logging out and logging back in. Sometimes the session just glitches out, and refreshing your login can fix the error right away. So go to X or Twitter, sign out of your account, then sign back in using your normal username and password. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing to check is your device time and date. A wrong system clock can cause authentication problems and trigger error 401. Make sure your computer or phone is set to the correct time, date, and time zone. If it's off, turn on automatic time settings or correct it manually. Then try X again. Still having the issue? Then clear your browser cookies and cache. On a Windows computer, press Ctrl+Shift+Delete together. That opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. From there, select Cookies and Cache, choose the appropriate time range, and clear the data. After that, close your browser completely and reopen x.com or Twitter, then log in again. In most cases, one of those 3 steps will resolve the error 401 and get your account working normally again. So just remember, log out and back in, check your device time and date, and clear cookies and cache with Ctrl+Shift+Delete. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.